In this video, I'll show you how to power off iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you've wanted to know all the different ways there are to power this device off, I'm going to show that to you today. So let's start with the first one. This one's the simplest, and this is available on iOS 18. You drag from the top, and this pulls down your control center, and there's a little power icon right here. And you just press and hold on it, and then let go. And you will see that this option to slide to power off comes up. Alright, now the second method, you can go ahead and use the side buttons or the volume down button and your side button here to power off. So you press the volume down, then you press the power or the side button and you hold and let go. And you're going to notice that now you can slide the power option off here again on your iPhone. Okay, so that's one more method. I'm going to show you yet another method. So this is for doing a hard reset. This is the third method here. So you would press volume up, volume down, and then hold that dot side button, and then you will see the option to slide to turn it off. And if you hold it down longer on the side button, it will automatically restart. Okay? Now let me show you another method. If you go into settings, you can go ahead and tap on settings. And in the main settings section, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see an option here to shut down. You tap on that, and now, once again, you have that slide button here, available to power off. So those are all the different ways that you can power off or shut down your iPhone 16 Pro Max. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.